Welcome to the magnificent Red Fort, Lal Kila, a timeless emblem of India's history, power, and cultural richness. Located in the heart of Old Delhi, this sprawling complex of red sandstone walls has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, echoes of freedom, and centuries of evolution. As you explore this 360 degrees experience, take your time to look around. Every archway, every courtyard, every stone whispers a story. Let's begin our journey through time. This is a 360 degrees video. Feel free to look around by swiping your finger, moving your mouse, rotating your phone, or using your remote control. We begin at the Lahori Gate, the main entrance to the Red Fort, which faces the once bustling Chandni Chowk market. The gate was designed to impress and intimidate. Its towering red sandstone structure features multiple tiers and decorative battlements. Above, the national flag of India flies proudly today, a tradition upheld every Independence Day when the Prime Minister hoists the flag and addresses the nation from its ramparts. The architecture is a fusion of Persian, Timurid, and Indian styles, a style that would come to define the height of Mughal architecture. As you look around, note the delicate marble inlays, intricate floral carvings, and symmetrical gardens. This is where aesthetics met authority. Pause here and imagine the scene centuries ago. Elephants and cavalry entering in procession, ministers and soldiers moving in disciplined order, and the emperor himself appearing in royal splendor. Just beyond the Lahori Gate is the Chatta Chowk, or Covered Bazaar. This arched arcade was where luxury goods were once sold to the royalty: jewels, silk, perfume, and fine art. Today, it retains that legacy, with shops offering souvenirs and handicrafts. But imagine it centuries ago, echoing with the haggling of elite merchants and courtiers, a fusion of commerce and courtliness. As you walk through, look up. The vaulted ceiling, lit by diffused sunlight, is designed to keep the market cool, even in Delhi's sweltering summers. At the end of the bazaar is the Nabat Khana, or drum house, where musicians would once announce the arrival of the emperor or important guests with ceremonial music. Only nobility was allowed beyond this point. Commoners and traders had to turn back. The building is adorned with intricate floral carvings and red sandstone panels. Here, one could feel the pulse of the court, the anticipation of imperial announcements, and the rhythm of royal life. Enjoying the tour? Hit that like button. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure. The Red Fort was commissioned by the 5th Mughal Emperor, Shah Jahan, in 1638 as he shifted his capital from Agra to the newly founded city of Shahjahanabad, present-day Old Delhi. The construction took nearly 10 years, completed in 1648, and what emerged was not just a fort, but a palatial city. Its massive enclosing walls, stretching over 2.5 kilometers, were designed to protect the imperial palace from both invasion and rebellion. If you're enjoying the walk, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love hearing from you, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing walking tours from around the world. Beyond the Nabat Khana lies the Diwan-i-Am, or Hall of Public Audience. This was where the emperor would listen to the petitions of the common people, dispensing justice under the famed Jharoka, a marble balcony with the iconic peacock throne once positioned beneath it. Although the original throne was taken to Persia by Nader Shah in 1739, the structure remains a powerful symbol of the emperor's divine right to rule. Rows of columns, beautifully scalloped arches, and a high roof give this space an air of solemn authority. Leave a comment to tell us where are you watching from, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Picture the scene. Courtiers in vibrant robes, the emperor seated in majesty, emissaries kneeling with reverence. This was politics' theater, and the Red Fort its grand stage. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more walking tours from around the world. One of the most visually captivating buildings is the Rang Mahal, or Palace of Colors, named for its vibrant interiors. This was where the emperor's wives and concubines resided, and it was decorated with rich textiles, mirrors, and vivid paintings. A marble channel, the Nari Bihisht, or Stream of Paradise, once flowed through its center, carrying water from the Yamuna through the entire palace. The soft gurgle of running water, the glow of oil lamps, the scent of attar, rose perfume. This was a space designed to please the senses. If you're enjoying the walk, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love hearing from you, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing walking tours from around the world. The Red Fort remained the seat of the Mughal Empire until 1857, when the British East India Company suppressed the First War of Independence, also known as the Sepoy Mutiny. The last Mughal emperor, Bahadur Shah Zafar, was tried here before being exiled to Burma. Under British rule, the fort was partially destroyed, repurposed, and militarized. Many of the gardens, palaces, and structures were lost or altered. The grandeur faded, but the spirit of resistance grew. In 1947, as India finally gained independence, the Red Fort once again became a national symbol. Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted the tricolor flag here, marking a new era in the fort's storied history. The Red Fort is more than a historical site. It's a palimpsest of empires and ideals. It has seen coronations and conquests, opulence and oppression, silence and speeches that shaped a nation. From the cries of battle to the cheers of independence, from Mughal grandeur to democratic pride, its walls have witnessed it all. Thank you for joining this immersive journey through one of the world's most iconic landmarks. Feel free to look around once more. No two views are ever the same, and every detail holds a story waiting to be discovered. See you in the next journey.